Today we'll be taking a look at the light socket on this Whirlpool electric dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, you must first remove the electrical cover followed by the rear panel. The electrical cover has one screw on the top. Take this off, slide off your cover and set it to the side. And then the back panel has multiple 1/4" screws around the perimeter. We'll do the ones on the side first. Ones in the middle. Put your arm against it to remove the very last one. Bend it out, lift up, and set it to the side. Now that we have the back panel removed, we have clear access to our light socket here. Now the main reasons why you'd be replacing your light socket would be if the light is not turning on or it may be flickering. Obviously, if it is flickering and you have replaced the bulb, the chances are is you have a bad light socket. If the light is not coming on, one thing you can do is undo your terminals here. Use something to pry them down as they're a little stiff. And then you can test for power. You'll test for 120 volts between these two terminals with the door open. Just make sure you're very careful with this, as you have a lot of electrical components exposed. If you have 120 volts, your bulb is new, and the socket is still not energizing, you'll probably want to change it out. In order to do so, you'll simply grab the sides and pinch, let out each side, gently pull down, and set the assembly to the side. When installing your new socket, you can either do it with the bulb on or you can put the bulb on afterwards, but you'll want to slide it in, have one tooth going each way, pinch in, bring each tooth in and give it a jiggle so it sets in place. Then we will reinstall the terminals. Now they can only go on one way, as there's a small one and a large one. Slide them on. Now we can reinstall the back panel. When reinstalling your back panel, what you'll want to do is bring in at an angle, because there's actually a small kind of lip on the back that it can sit on. It'll drop in nice and should line the screws up. So let's get it lined up here and install the first one. And I don't like to put that one too tight so that we can move the other ones around if needed. All right, let's move the plate and install the second. Now I'll go around and reinstall the others. Tighten this one up. Reinstall the last one. Go ahead and slap back on our electrical cover. And reinstall that screw. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.